The StruXure Motorized Pergola system is reinventing the way homeowners experience the outdoors. The most versatile, modern, useful outdoor patio space ever designed. It creates the perfect blend of sun, shade, and shelter at all times, so you can still enjoy time outdoors. Even if it rains, is windy, or the sun is out. With a StruXure Motorized Pergola, your family now enjoys quality time together in the fresh air, sun, and perfect amount of shade. See what Sue has to say.
We had a Facebook ad cross my page multiple times, and I convinced my husband that we didn't want to repeat what we had in Irvine, which was a wooden structure, that we really wanted something that would pass the test of time and not be a termite attraction. But the levers moving with the sun was just the cherry on top of StruXure. And we went to the showroom in Fountain Valley and loved everything. We got to see, oh yeah, lights, oh yeah, heaters, and so many options and so many colors, and the color matched what the HOA was going to require here perfectly. We've had an amazing experience with StruXure, making our backyard just the perfect place to sit down and have dinner and cook on the grill and drink too much and have a great time back here.
Are you ready to reimagine the way you experience the outdoors with StruXure? Reach out to us today. We would love to help answer any of your questions.